As I mentioned earlier, NoiseTools is pretty straightforward. Filing cabinet down the side, measurement in the middle, tabs down the side. Here in the filing cabinet, there are various ways you can look for your measurements. So when I put the measurement I downloaded today, when I put council name, your name and case reference, all I did was put the exact same measurements in different drawers of that filing cabinet. So if you always put your own name when you install, click on people, click on your own name, and every measurement you ever took will be listed there for you in chronological order. And that works the same for the Places tab and the Projects tab. You can search via instruments instead, so this will list all of these Cirrus products that you have and that you've downloaded from. You can go by date if you prefer. You can type a term in this box. Click the magnifying glass and any measurement with that term would appear in chronological order. And one thing that you might find helpful is you can audit your database by clicking this little black arrow that says Advanced Search. You can tell it time frames that you're interested in, before and after dates, any additional notes here or names that you've given it, anything that has audio, and you can say, I care about anything that's gone over 85 decibels. Just as an example, you can change that level to be anything you wish. Tell it to search, and any measurement that meets the criteria that you've told it you're interested in will be listed for you there in chronological order. So it's a way for you to audit your database without having to do much more than click a couple of buttons. Thank you for taking the time to review this section on NoiseTools. If you do need any support, please get in touch and we'll be happy to help.